Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free seeds in Grow a Garden on Roblox without spending a single Robux. So step 1, use the daily login bonus. First, make sure you log in every day. The game gives you free items daily and sometimes that includes seeds. Just click the gift icon or check your daily rewards menu to claim them, easy and free. Step 2, complete quest. Next, head to the quest board in town. There are simple missions like watering plants, collecting fruits, or planting waters. Complete this and you will earn coins and sometimes even free seeds as rewards. Step 3, level up and achievements. As you level up and hit certain achievements, the game will give you free stuff. That includes rare or basic seeds depending on your progress. So keep playing, keep planting, and you will unlock tons of rewards. Another cool trick, if you have got friends playing Grow a Garden, trade with them. Sometimes your friends have extra seeds they don't need. Ask politely and you might get them for free. And that's how you can get free seeds. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.